Hi everyone, I'm Qureshi Simran, from Veracitiz Client Innovation Center. Business planners and scheduling managers face challenges to maximize utilization of resources given the optimum allocation of job responsibilities, keeping all dynamic situations, gaining high performance for respective clients. It is at most need for every IT, BPO or KPO, government organizations, banks and back-office resource staffing firms considering the current pandemic situation. To assign the right talent for the right task is a crucial business decision for planners and schedulers. Optimum resource allocation using advanced technology can help us to identify the suitable team members or employees compatible for a particular role and makes it easier to assign tasks as per their availability, keeping minimum cost and maximum margins. The dynamic duo of IBM Analytics, offering planning analytics and decision optimization, are right fit for such scenario. Let us experience how they works. First, we would integrate and input all the data into the planning analytics web forms. Second, we're gonna bring the inputs inside the IBM Watson machine learning using the REST APIs. Third, trigger the decision optimization model inside the IBM Watson machine learning notebook. Fourth, we're going to push the optimized results back into our planning analytics cubes for review and what-if analysis. In the demo we see how entire integration happens via just one single button click. All the steps are executed sequentially. The final optimum schedule is generated using mathematical optimization using available inputs and constraints for assignments. Let's suppose we are part of the project management organization. We get inputs on new resource requirements via mails or via project management solutions such as Jira, Liquid Planner, Salesforce, etc. So, suppose these are all my requirements which come from different companies or different clients. Let's assume we have an opportunity for a large FMCG company based in Bengaluru, which requires one developer, one manager, one team lead, and one senior consultant. This opportunity is for 3 months and it starts in February, and so on for other opportunities subsequently. We can see all the available resources identified by their names, seniority, qualification and pay rate. Here we can also see the skills of each resource, so this plays a very important role here. Here it shows these skills in two different forms. First, performance scores. Second, cost coefficient scores, derived from the pay rate and performance score. Performance score, for Annie has 30% skill as a developer, and 80% skills as a manager, so it would be good if we assign Annie as a manager. We can integrate the HRMS system like Kronos, Workday, Taleo, to get to know who is performing good and which skill. Cost coefficient score. Decision optimization model selects resources whose cost coefficient is less, so it is calculated using mathematical logics, based on pay rate and performance scores. We can see the base location for each resource, in the location table, as well as the vacation for each resource, in the vacation table. As we know, every real-life example have constraints, so here we can see some constraints like mandatory assignment. It means at any cost we have to assign this resource in a particular opportunity, also called required assignment. In opportunity 2, Annie is the required resource, while in opportunity 1, Cindy is the required resource. Not required assignment, it means that this resource will not work in a particular opportunity. In opportunity 1, Kathy will not work. Compatible resources, it means that they both are happy to work together and provide full performance. Selected Isabelle, and D. We can add more pairs as we want. Similarly, non-compatible resources pair like Patrick and Patricia. Here model offers flexibility for the objective selections like maximize gross margin, while allocation, decision optimization should focus on maximizing the gross profit to a project, and keeping lowest cost of assignments. Maximize performance score, model would perform the allocation of resources, based on the performance and mathematically most efficient team assignment to the opportunity, ignoring the cost parameters. Maximize gross margin and performance score, it focuses on maximizing both gross profit as well as performance for the project. This would relax some of the low cost but low performance duties to be assigned. Suppose initially we run a maximize gross profit scenario by clicking maximize gross margin button. The back-end script gathers all inputs from planning analytics, Supply data to IBM machine learning decision optimization model to execute and generates optimized result and supply back to planning analytics module within just 10 to 15 seconds. This optimization engine considers all 31 resources for total 6 opportunities allocation requirements, across 5 different locations and with 5 different skills. The overall possible combinations are more than 20 trillion, making the small scenario with huge complexity for human hands, to arrive at the right allocation for resources to give an opportunity. Here we can see the output, indicating which resource should be assigned to which opportunity to get the maximum profit. Now let's verify it. In the Opportunity Requirements table, the opportunity for whose base location is Delhi, it starts from the month April and the duration is 3 months, and they need 1 supporter and 1 team lead. So, see here an output opportunity for, base location Delhi starts from April and it continues till June, that means for 3 months, and it assign 1 supporter and 1 team lead. Here as we see in required assignment, Cindy is the required resource in Opportunity 1 and Annie is the required resource in Opportunity 2. So it assigned Cindy in Opportunity 1 and Annie as a manager in Opportunity 2, but she is not assigned in the month of January because of vacation constraints, so instead of Annie, Bethany is assigned in month January. Let's run a Maximize Performance Score scenario by clicking Maximize Performance Score button. Here we can see the optimized output of Maximize Performance Score scenario. Likewise, we can run scenario 3, which is Maximize Gross Margin and Performance Score using the same inputs and constraints. We can see the optimized output to maximize both gross margin and performance score. Let's see some what-if scenario by changing some values on the fly. In final schedule, Kathy is already assigned to Opportunity 2, and in constraints Kathy is defined as not suitable resource in Opportunity 1 as forced mapping, changing this from Opportunity 1 to Opportunity 2. It means Kathy's restrictions are changed to Opportunity 2. Again, run the script using updated constraints. There are multiple sandboxes built using out-of-the-box planning analytics, in order to provide flexibility for making more analysis of the assignments, rather than wasting time in just allocations. In the updated output, see for Opportunity 2 Kathy is removed and added other available person. In the Summary tab, we can visualize the total shifts allocated, hours allocated and total cost, for each and every resources. The total gross profit and total project cost by Scenario 1. Scenario 2. Scenario 3. Here the entire model is built using the month-level inputs, but we can change it in weeks or days according to requirements, with a click of a button and changing the inputs for vacations into respective week or daily level. I hope you understand how decision optimization and IBM planning analytics helps business users to automate the complex time-taking decisions-making and trade-off process to better manage in dynamic flexible systems. The solution is not only for staff allocation but can also be extended for the machine's tool allocation, job allocations, air traffic management, university or school calendar assignment as well. Thank you very much for watching this resource scheduling demo. We would suggest you to please refer our further video on analytics and decision optimization on our YouTube channel, and for any future reference please connect us on our website www.veracitiz.com. Bye bye.